Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to do a little unboxing and an overview talk of the Jasic Evo 160 stick welder. So as you can see, I've got the cardboard that it comes with in front of me. I know some of you out there like to see the cardboard, so pull that to the side. So the Evo 160 comes with a carrier case free. Now this is extremely good if you're a man in a van and you want to keep your machine safe while you're driving about up and down the country. So I'm going to open up the case. So accessories wise, comes with an earth clamp, which is on a 35-50mm DINS plug, which is pretty heavy duty for a 160 amp machine. There's a lot of machines out there, cheaper machines from like the likes of China, which come with a smaller DINS plug nowadays. For the electrode holder, we've got a nice sturdy 400 amp electrode holder, which is probably a bit overkill for this machine, but you're not going to complain. Comes with a pack of cable accessories for you. So now I'm going to take the machine out of the carrier case. So what I will say about this machine, it is incredibly light. It's a bit bigger than other machines that I've seen, but for the size, I'm going to say it's about 8 kilograms. Okay, so I've just quickly put a plug on this so I can turn it on to show you guys the interface. Now when you switch this machine on, the fan will automatically come on for a few seconds while it sorts itself out. The machine is dual voltage, so it can either run on 230 or 110 volt. We've got this set up at 230 at the minute, but basically you just put whatever plug you want on it and the machine will sort the rest out. It is generator friendly as well, so if you have a surge, it will automatically protect the machine. So as you can see, we're in MMA mode, we're in manual, and in arc force, so it can go straight up to 160 amp or as low as 20 amp. If you press the green button, it will switch to smart TIG mode, which is lift TIG. So if I switch it back over to stick now, so this machine is synergic, so if you was to click through the systems, so your 2.5 electrode, 3.2 electrode, and 4mm, it's got preset voltages for that. And then if you was to go through this, you have your hot start, and then you have your arc force, which you can set personally to whatever you want. So yeah, guys, that's just a quick overview of what you get when you buy the Jasic 160. In the next couple of videos, I'll do some demonstrations on it and see what it can do on a mild steel, stainless and aluminium. So stay tuned.